Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to merge or unmerge cell in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, firstly select the cell which you want to merge. For example, I want to merge these cells. So after selecting the cells, you will see in home options this icon, merge and center. So just click on it. So when you will click on it, you will see four options: merge and center, merge across, merge cells, so and unmerge cells. So if you want to merge and center, then it's mean that your data will be appear on the center. So if you don't need, so just click on merge cells, because I want that my data will appears in the middle side. That's why I will click on merge and center. So you can see all is done. So my data is appear in the middle cell and all cells are merged. So if you want to merge all cells in the horizontally, so just select the cell and you can see merge cells and merge across. So select the merge across. So you can see all cells along the horizontally are merged. So guys, if you want to unmerge these cells, so again you will see this option. So just click on it and then you can see unmerge cell. So just click on it. So you can see all cells are unmerged. So I will show you again. So here you can see unmerged cells. So just click on it and you can see all cells are unmerged. So guys, in this way you can unmerge cells and merge cells. So if you want to merge cells along with the data, so you can see if I want to merge these cells, so when I will click on it and then you can see merge cells. So you can see the options merging cells only keep the upper left values and discard the other value. So just only upper left value will remain as it and all other value will be discarded. So you can see just first name is appeared and all other values are discarded. So guys, in this way you can merge or unmerge cells. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.